Writing equations, page 36. What all the numbers mean. To write an equation, you should understand the meaning of the numbers used in this equation. When you write equations, it's important to be able to count up how many of each sort of atom you have. So it's important to know how to count the numbers of atoms in a chemical equation. So it's very important to know how to count the number of atoms in a chemical reaction. In particular, you must understand the difference between big numbers written in front of the formula, such as the 2 in 2HCl. Thus, it's very important to differentiate between the numbers found in this equation, where the 2 in 2HCl and the subscript 4 in CH4 have different meanings. In this video, we're going to discuss the difference between big and subscript numbers, and we will count the number of atoms in some equations. What all the numbers mean, page 36. What all numbers mean. This is a Cl atom, so there is a single chlorine atom. Since there is neither a big number nor a subscript number in front of Cl, thus there is only one chlorine atom. You can notice there are two chlorine atoms in this diagram, so it's represented by 2Cl. There are two separate chlorine atoms, as you can see. Thus, a big number is written in front of the element when the atoms are not bonded. So, two separate chlorine atoms are represented by 2Cl. This diagram shows two covalently bonded chlorine atoms. There are two chlorine atoms joined together by a covalent bond. What is the symbol representing these atoms? Cl2. The chlorine atoms are bonded, then 2 is written as a subscript number. The two separate chlorine atoms are represented by 2Cl. You should be able to differentiate between these numbers. There is no number in the first diagram. The big 2 in front of Cl shows that there are two separate chlorine atoms, while the subscript 2 at the lower right of Cl shows that the two chlorine atoms are covalently bonded. Thank you.